Welcome to 328 Ocean Beach Road, Umina Beach. My name's David Keenan from Rain and Horn, and I'm living in a time warp. How good's this? Walk down to the beach, shops being built across the road, woi at the other end of the street. Why don't you come and have a look?
Well, you need to come look at this stunning 3-bedroom family home. Timber floorboards throughout, 3 good-sized bedrooms, great kitchen leading onto the outdoor entertaining area, amazing backyard for the kids, perfect for any young family looking to get into the market or move to the area. Let's go have a look at the house.
Well, what about the house, eh? Fantastic location. Ocean Beach house is ready for sale. Sam, what do you think, mate?
Absolutely amazing, perfect for a young family or someone looking to move to the area. Please give Sam or Dave a call for all your inquiry needs. Rain and Horn Peninsula.
Don't ring me now because I'm going for a surf.